Hi Pisces, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do a love read for you. Pisces, this is going to be from now till the 15th of September, right? First half of September. So, and these are general collective readings. Pisces will not resonate with each and every one of you. So don't make it fit to your life if in case it doesn't resonate. And just use the parts that do. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Pisces, thank you all my subscribers for all your love. This card wanted to show up, the World card, which means you're ending an old chapter of your life or starting a brand new one. So let's see, let me put it here and see how it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So as I was saying, thank you all my subscribers. You've been very kind and yes, thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us and become part of us. We meet here weekly. Do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy it. And let's begin. So let me explain this to the newbies. I'm setting down 2 sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your partner. Even though for the duration of this reading, I'll be referring to one side as person A and the other side as person B. So there's no confusion and you don't put comments to say, I was on the other side and the other person did that. So you'd see which side you're on. You'll know your story, right? Okay. So let's begin here. Before I open your cards, Pisces, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you to top the reading. So my angels, what do you have for Pisces now for the first half of September? Okay. Look deeper, Pisces. There's a lot going on behind the scenes which you're not aware of. Okay. You may think things are very, boring and placid at the moment. There's no movement in your life, but please know that lots and lots of stuff going on behind your back. Could be in the 3D world, could be in the universal world where the universe is preparing something new for you, maybe a brand new life. Or this could be your relationship with somebody, since it's a love reading, where you don't know all the facts yet, right? So let's see how it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So for person A, I have Justice in reverse, Ace of Swords, upright, 5 of Pentacles in reverse, which is a great card to have reverse, the Tower, 4 of Wands, and the Death in reverse. Okay. Person B, I have the Page of Swords in reverse, 3 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, 7 of Cups, Temperance, and the Lovers in reverse. So somebody here is making a choice. Let's see about what. So in case you guys need a personal reading, Pisces, I'm open to some readings now. So my email is in the description box below. You can send me an email, but make sure you put in the subject, you write personal reading - your country and state that you're from, okay? So I can offer you the best time slot which is suitable for both of us. So let's go on to person A now. So person A feels things have not been right, things have not been just, and probably in a marriage or a secure environment, a long-standing relationship, or in their home environment, that something is not right. And now they're seeking clarity because they feel that, because they're not happy. They're not happy in whatever is going on in their home life or in their stability. They feel things are not right, things are not just, and I need some answers now, okay? They have the Ace of Swords, the sword of truth in their hand now to say, I am no longer going to be left out in the cold. And I'm sick and tired of, being isolated and just being by myself and healing and whatever. And I want some forward movement in my life. This person has been feeling very abandoned lately and feeling very rejected maybe. And Yeah, and being confused, like what's happening here? Why am I in this state? Whatever happened here was like quite a tower moment for this person A. Again, the justice in reverse. So whatever happened, whatever was said, whatever was done in this relationship dynamic was like a huge tower moment for person A, and they felt their whole world rocked because things were not just. And again, I have the Four of Wands in reverse, which I had earlier, right? So this was pertaining the Four of Wands, and because of this tower moment which hit person A, now they're feeling all their stability is lost, not feeling happy at all. So what was this tower moment, Spirit? What was this tower moment for person A? Somebody turned their back on them, or they turned their back on somebody, even though they were maybe hoping for a new beginning, a fresh new start. Something came about where somebody turned their back and refused to offer them either an apology or a love offer or something, even though person A was expecting it and hoping for it. The other person did. They kind of like didn't do the right thing, didn't do the just thing. Yeah, and this kind of destabilizes this family dynamic, this long-term potential, whether you were planning to have a long-term relationship or maybe you already are or were one, right? So this kind of shook up the whole foundation of your relationship. But I do have the death card in reverse. So person A is not very open to change right now. Okay, they don't want things to change. They are trying to. They know that whatever message they've gotten till now has not been the best. Okay, but they are afraid of change right now. Person A is very afraid of change, even after listening to or getting whatever news which shook up their world and their stability. They are still very afraid, and they're trying to, stall this ending till as long as they can. Yeah, maybe somebody came in and gave them some information which really hit them big time. This was swift, fast, mean, rude, all kinds of things, but it was really quick. But this person A I think this is the feminine energy. I could be wrong, but till now this is what I'm feeling. This feminine energy is not willing to let go. She still wants to be victorious in this relationship, okay? She's not willing to take no for an answer, even though the writing is on the wall, Pisces. The writing is on the wall that things are crumbling. And no, this person A is not willing to let go. Whoever this person is trying to delay this change for as long as possible. They're spying on the other person 24/7 to see if they can get any kind of message or news or anything on them, as to what's happening on the other side. Okay, let's figure it out. Let's go to the other side. So what's happening here? Person B feels that there's been some mischief. Either somebody has tricked them, if they have the same card, by the way, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. So they feel that somebody tricked them, somebody was mischievous here, or maybe they were. Who's this, Spirit? Who's the one who's the mischievous one, who's been tricking and doing naughty things? And there's a Three of Cups here as well in reverse. So there could be third-party situations. One more card, Spirit, for the Three of Cups. Yes, I think there has been some kind of foul play going on person B's end. And maybe they did something wrong here. Maybe it was a brief affair or something, and but they want to move out of that now. Maybe they conveyed it to person A to say, hey, this happened and whatever, I was feeling alone or left out or single or something, and I did something which I shouldn't have done. And now they are feeling that they want to now move away to calmer waters, and they want to end this fight with person A. That's a strange reading, okay. Spirit, then what is this Wheel of Fortune in reverse for person? Yeah, now the balance has been rocked of this relationship. Even though they want to bring an apology to person A, they know things are now totally out of balance after this tower moment has hit their relationship. Okay. Now notice carefully. There is a tower here on this side and there is a tower here on this side. So yes, something really rocked this relationship here, and things are just not moving in a positive direction anymore. Now there is either confusion. Oh, right. So look at the way you two are mirroring each other. I had the death in reverse here, not open to change, still holding on till the last breath. They have the same card on their side, death in reverse. Even this person is no longer wanting, not no longer, even they don't want this to end, this relationship, and they are also trying to they're a little confused as to how to do it. They're very confused. Oh, too many cards. Right now person B is very confused right now. They don't know how to bring back balance, but they are also holding on to this relationship by a thread, right? After this huge tower moment. So what was the tower moment, let's say, on their end, just to see both sides? Spirit, what was this tower moment for person B? When the Empress went missing in action. Yeah, this Empress decided, I don't want to grow with you anymore. Like I said, this person A was the feminine, right? So now this is a tower moment for the masculine, who says, oh my God, my Empress is now no longer wanting to grow with me, and she's not accepting any apology or love from me anymore. So she's upset. Now when I say masculine and feminine energy, Pisces, I don't mean the woman is here and the man is here. Whoever's embodying their feminine side more, who's the nurturer, who's more caring, more loving, the softer, we all have them. I have the masculine, feminine inside me. Sometimes I'm more emotional, sometimes I'm more analytical. I bring out my masculine side and get things done, and I don't sit around and feed the cats, homeless cats, and say I have jobs to do. So I would be bringing out more of my masculine side. So you have to decide which side you are on. Are you on this side where you have felt that you've been betrayed, but still holding on? Or are you on this side who has betrayed, okay, and now wanting to give an apology and not sure whether person A is going to even accept it? Now both of you are sitting in your tower moments. Person B desperately wants to bring back balance now with the Temperance card and the Lovers card in reverse. They want to make a choice, and they are really hoping to bring back some kind of balance back. So what's this Temperance card for person B, Spirit? Yes, they want to make a choice, they want to make a choice, they want to make a choice. Okay, so both those cards are signifying they want to make a choice to bring back healing and balance back into this relationship. One card for the Temperance, Spirit. Yeah, they want to rush forward, they want to go back to the Empress, they want to turn things right once again, and they no longer want to have any options if they had in the past or had third parties or whatever. They want to drop all that and have growth with this person A again. Let's see what's in your mutual now. 10 of Swords in reverse, 2 of Pentacles in reverse, and the 4 of Wands. Yes, right now I think Pisces, both of you think that this relationship has totally ended and it's beyond any repair. Yeah, the sun went down totally on this relationship, maybe because of these third parties which one side was involved in, and you guys have just stopped communicating with each other, or if there is communication, it's not the best, right? So right now things are totally at a stalemate between the two of you. In fact, you're at a point where you're both thinking that, are we going to drop this relationship altogether? Yeah, somebody is being selfish here in this relationship, Pisces. Somebody was all about me, and they played around maybe and didn't think of how it was going to affect the other person, and the other person walked away, right? One person walked away from this relationship after this selfish behavior of this masculine, and both are now thinking that yes, it's maybe time to drop the ball, and maybe things can't be put right again. So Four of Swords, now I think you both are in healing till the 15th of September, but we'll take a clarifier. Four of Swords, Spirit. One more card. Things are not at their happiest, even though, yes, the masculine would like to, charge ahead and take some kind of forward movement. The feminine is very upset and very, very angry right now. She feels that there is no wish fulfillment here, and would it just be better right now, not even to fight for this connection. So I think till the middle of September, Pisces, you both are going to be in your corners healing about this player, I think, who did something kind of weakened your relationship, by their actions, even though this was a very strong and beautiful relationship, maybe a perfect partnership that you guys had. Right now, I see till the 15th of September, you're both in your self-imprisoned state, okay, stressed out, and trying to make a choice. A lot of regrets of what happened in the past, feeling betrayed, feeling everything is over, and still trying to think of what is the best case scenario for the future. But yet the good part is, Pisces, I see the death in reverse for both your ends, so it isn't over yet. None of you are really accepting that this is over. And yes, like I said, maybe you will put an end to the way things were done in the past, and possibly each person is going to have a different story. Some people are going to come back together and start a fresh new cycle or new chapter of your lives together. In some cases, Pisces, this may be the ending of a chapter where you will move on to a new chapter in your life, right? That's why this card had come out. Look deeper. There are things going on behind your back which you're not even aware of, right? This card, that's what this card was trying to say. So that's all I have for you right now, Pisces. Stay strong, stay well, and I will see you soon. Namaste, and do subscribe, and we'll meet again, okay? Love and light. See you soon.